Hello again everyone, and welcome back to Adelaide Boat Sales. We're here at the beautiful holiday destination of Wallaroo in South Australia. It's a gorgeous day, a little bit of breeze, and we're here to look at a 2004 Riviera 3850 Flybridge. This 3850 was optioned with teak from factory. The large cockpit area does house the entrance to the engine bay and a large chest fridge. Down below you've got your Cummins 370 horsepower diesel engines. The Flybridge is well laid out, lots of seating forward and aft, and the helm controls house your electronics, electronic controls and thrusters. Moving inside you'll notice it's quite a roomy saloon. Lots of seating, beautiful timbers, brand new carpet throughout, and a very well appointed step down galley. All the timbers do present in good condition. You've got an ice maker in here and a separate lounge for all the guests and family. All round great accommodation. To starboard the bunk room, to port is your toilet and shower facilities. Forward in the V berth is your walk around island queen bed. So there we have it, another wonderful listing, 2004 Riviera 3850 Flybridge, twin Cummins, shaft drive, bow and stern thruster, 770 hours, presenting in good condition. You've got the crane, the cradle, the inflatable, the outboard, the teak decks, and she's pretty much ready to go. So contact Adelaide Boat Sales today for your inventory and brochure or to arrange an inspection. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.